Hi guys, my name is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas here in Lewisville, Texas, and today we're going to be taking a look at a 2024 MASTERCRAFT XSTAR S. So starting in the back of the boat on the XSTAR S, we did put the thruster on this, so it's going to make it super easy navigating around docks and marinas. With the XSTAR S, you'll have very deep lounge seats right there, comfortable to ride in, observe whatever you may be doing. And then we have the 6.2 liter supercharged Ilmor engine in this boat as well. So coming on in the boat, you'll notice the black interior. It does have cool fill vinyl, so that's really going to help in the Texas sun. Not going to get as hot as you think it would. Coming on in, you'll notice your step down C-deck pad right there. Makes it super convenient if you do have your shoes on getting in the boat. You'll have your clip sound system, so 4 tower speakers as well. So taking a look at our helm, really nice layout. You'll have a little bit different screen than your other models from MASTERCRAFT as far as the layout goes, but clean setup. You'll have a battery switch down there by your wireless phone charger, and all your redundant buttons right there on the side. So looking at your port side, you'll have really nice pass-through storage all the way to the bow. Big glove box, a little cubby hole area for your phone. Working our way up, really nice big bow for a 23-foot boat. Your pickle fork nose, and then of course you'll have your drop-down armrest up here as well. So again guys, this is Taylor Dollins with MarineMax Dallas. Thank you for watching. This was a MASTERCRAFT 2024 XSTAR S.